The Lotus and the Muddy Pond. Once upon a time, in a peaceful garden, there was a lotus flower floating gracefully on a clear pond. Its petals were pure and vibrant, untouched by the muddy waters it grew in. One day, a curious butterfly came fluttering by and saw the lotus. Intrigued, it asked, "How do you stay so beautiful and pure in this muddy pond?" The lotus replied with a serene smile, "I grow from the mud, yet I strive towards the light. My roots remain grounded in the earth, while my blossoms seek the heavens above. The mud may surround me, but it does not define me." The butterfly pondered on these words and then asked, "But how can I too remain untouched by the challenges of life?" The lotus gently whispered, "Embrace the challenges, for they are opportunities for growth. Just as I rise above the mud, you too can rise above difficulties by nurturing your spirit, seeking wisdom, and staying true to your essence." The butterfly, inspired by the lotus's wisdom, decided to spread its wings and rise above the challenges it faced. It embraced the storms and obstacles, finding strength and transformation within. Through perseverance and inner growth, the butterfly learned to fly higher and higher. And so, the lotus and the butterfly became a beautiful testament to the spiritual principle of transcending the muck of life through inner strength, growth, and embracing the light within. They reminded all who witnessed their journey that challenges are opportunities for spiritual elevation and transformation.